to today's video. We're heading to my birthday dinner at SingleThread, which is a 3-star Michelin in Healdsburg, California. And I'll take you along with me. Hey guys, I just got back from eating at SingleThread and they gave me a little something to take home, so I want to share with you. This was like a decor piece at the beginning of the course on my plate, so I don't know, maybe I can just put it as like a decor piece at home or something. And their beautiful logo, it's like this embossed logo here. Let's see. Oh, it's a birthday card. It says happy birthday. That's cute. Quite cute. And then I think this is their menu. Let's open it up. Yep, it's their menu. Everything that we had today. And there's a note from the founders, Kathy and Kyle. Oh, Cal and Katrina. Let's see what this is. It's like a little cute contraption here. It's actually seats. I think they're seats. Cute. Overall, I think it was a really good dining experience. However, I do think Saison and the French Laundry are better than this. Given that I do have quite high expectations for SingleThread because it is a 3-star Michelin and I've heard so many good things about this place, I just feel like some of the courses fell short in terms of like techniques and flavors, or maybe my personal preferences is more like towards the more savory side, and I feel like a lot of the courses are quite light and emphasizes more on the ingredients itself rather than like the cooking techniques or the flavors. Yeah, just my thoughts. Take it with a grain of salt. Also, I realized I never uploaded my dining experience at the French Laundry for my birthday last year, but I found the footage again, so I'm gonna edit that and add it onto this vlog.